So let's talk about storing and organizing. Since Google Drive is in the cloud, think of it like your filing cabinet in the cloud. You can add, upload anything you want there, and then you can organize into folders. So to demonstrate, I'm going to use my imaginary friend Danny. So I am signed in with Danny's Google account. I know his username and password because he's actually me, but it's so that you don't have to see all my mess. And how you get to Google Drive is drive.google.com. drive.google.com. Or if you are on a window that has these little 9 dots, that is the Google Apps grid, and you can get to Drive there. But I like for people to know what to type into the address bar. So this is Danny's Google Drive, and he has several files in here. He also has one folder. Well, I think these other files should be in folders. So I'm going to create a new folder. You do that by clicking the plus new, and a new folder. I want to make one called travel. So I now have a folder called travel, but it's empty. Now all I have to do, so this attractions in Japan, that is a spreadsheet, and it belongs in a folder for travel. All I have to do is grab it and drag it to travel. Now it's gone from the open documents and it is in travel. And this travel photos goes in there, and the Japan map goes in there. It's kind of tricky to grab them, but you can be done. So this is looking a lot more organized. Yes, I still have 2 files left. I think they belong in a folder called family. So new folder, family, and create. Then drag this document, have to get it first, drag it into family, grab this, and drag it into family. So now look how neat and organized I am. If I want to see travel documents, I just open up that folder. I double click. And then I have these breadcrumbs up here. My Drive, family. And note, whenever I hover over the icon, I see a little representation of the file. That's kind of nice, so you know what it is. So that was organizing files that were already in your Google Drive. How do you get files there? So I have some files on my computer that I want in my Google Drive. Upload them. So for that, I go New and File Upload. I have to know where on my computer they are, and I made sure to put them in a special place called 319 files for episode 319. And here is that image of the front page of the New York Times that we just saw. So I want to upload that to my Google Drive, and I just click it and click open. And there it is, but what's wrong? I just uploaded it to my drive. I did not choose a folder first. Well, no problem. I can put it, now should that go in family or travel? I think I'll put that in family just because, so yeah, I'll put that in family. Okay, but here is a sweet trick. If you open the folder first, then whatever you upload gets uploaded into that folder. So let me open travel, and now click New and File Upload. And you can also get more more than one. So I'll do these 2 files and open. And now they have been uploaded into the travel folder. Very nice. And last thing to know is that whatever you do on the computer in Google Drive, you can do on the phone. So let me look at the phone. You do need the Google Drive app. Now on Android phones, it gets installed automatically. You need to install it if you have an iPhone. I open Drive, and I am signed into the same account. I'm signed into Danny's account. Now you have these menus down at the bottom. If you're on Home, it's showing you a list of files regardless of the folder they're in. But if you tap on this little folder icon, now you're seeing the folders. Tap on Travel, and you see all the files that I put in Travel. So it just works really slick and easy, and it's so useful.